In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Hostinger. First, start by opening your Hostinger account and signing in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account page where you can access your settings and billing details. This is important because the refund process usually begins by reviewing the subscription connected to your account. Next, click on your profile section. This is where Hostinger keeps your account-related options, including payment and subscription settings. After that, go to the billing area. In billing, you'll be able to see the services you're paying for, along with the renewal and subscription information linked to your account. From there, click on Subscriptions. This section shows all active plans currently associated with your Hostinger account. Look through the list carefully and select the subscription you want to manage. When you open that subscription, the next thing you need to do is click Disable Auto Renew. This step is very important because it helps make sure the service will not renew again while you are working through the refund process. If you have more than one active subscription, repeat this same action for each one. In other words, go through all of your subscriptions and make sure Auto Renew is turned off wherever needed. Taking care of this first can help avoid unwanted future charges and keeps your account settings organized before you request the refund. Once that's done, go to the Ask AI option. This is the support tool you'll use to begin the refund request. In the message box, type that you want a refund. Keep your request simple and clear so the system can guide you properly. After you send that message, just follow the instructions it gives you. Hostinger's support flow should walk you through the next part of the process, including any confirmation steps needed to complete the request. As you go through the instructions, make sure to read each response carefully so you don't miss any required action. If the system asks you to confirm the subscription or reason for the refund, provide the needed information and continue through the prompts until the request is submitted. That's it. The main process is to open your account, go to your profile, access billing, open subscriptions, disable auto renew on the relevant plans, and then use Ask AI to request the refund and follow the instructions provided. If you follow each part carefully, you'll make the process much smoother.